Case file number 013, the Commonwealth posterior loop isolation. This is case file number 013. We are reviewing restored footage of a specific structural modification, the back loop double crochet. Warning, this broadcast utilizes the Commonwealth Protocol. Calibration parameters have been adjusted. A double crochet in this sector equates to a single crochet iteration within the U.S. mainframe. Proceed with caution. The original data log indicates this procedure yields a distinct ripple effect and provides necessary depth for three-dimensional amigurumi construction. The subject initiates standard protocols. A rudimentary slip knot is established by looping the fiber around the appendage and pulling it through. The practitioner then executes a foundational sequence, chaining 10 discrete units. One supplementary chain is added to establish necessary elevation. The subject proceeds to execute standard double crochets across the foundational chain, ensuring the initial insertion targets the second chain from the hardware. A baseline of 10 complete units is secured. The material is pivoted. A single chain provides elevation for the secondary level. Observe the critical structural deviation. Standard procedures dictate penetrating both superior loops of the foundational V shape. However, for this maneuver, the subject isolates the posterior boundary. The hardware is directed straight downward into the center of the V formation and pushed exclusively through the back loop. A standard double crochet is then executed. The subject repeats the procedure, straight down into the center of the V, pop through the back loop, and execute the double crochet, a continuous rhythmic progression across the entire sequence. The resulting structural matrix exhibits optimal density and a distinct ribbed texture, expanding the practitioner's architectural capabilities. This concludes our observation of case file number 013, Analog Crafts for a Digital World.